I hope someday is alright.
Come with me to Selfridges. Honestly, one of my favorite things to do and something I could spend hours doing is just walking around and looking at makeup. Right now the store feels extra special because of the Christmas decorations. They really outdone themselves this year. Everything looks so cozy and festive. The lights, the ornaments, the whole vibe is just magical. My inner child was so excited today because I made it my day where I can just relax and enjoy my time in Selfridges. I get to explore all the beauty counters, which I never ever had the time to do. As a new mother, this trip was honestly just what I needed. It gave me a chance to unwind and get some much needed me time. I started my beauty adventure at the Refi counter where I made my first purchase. I've been dying to try their stuff. I have the duo ending makeup brush, but I wanted some makeup products that I could try, so I went with the gloss highlighter. Then I headed over to my favourite, the Charlotte Tilbury counter. And let's just say I splurged as always. Oops. Whether you're here to shop or just soak in the festive vibes, Selfridges is always a treat. If you'd like to see a haul of everything I got, let me know. Trips like this are such a good escape, especially during the holidays. One thing I love about Selfridges is the mix of brands. Whether it's the latest viral TikTok product or something classic, they've got it all. Plus, there's a dedicated beauty concierge, so if you need recommendations or a little guidance, they're right there to help. I recently bought this Hourglass Ambient palette and was thinking whether I should pick the matching brush to go with it. The Christian Louboutin is my favorite counter because everything here just looks expensive and screams expensive. Just look at how luxurious every product looks. Honestly, it's super tempting. It's difficult to walk around without wanting everything that you see. Just being here is so inspiring. It's not just about the shopping, it's the whole experience. The displays, the testers, the friendly staff. It makes you want to try new things and discover new favorites. It's like being in a beauty playground, and I never want to leave. Exploring spaces like this reminds me that self-care can look different for everyone. For me, it's about finding beauty in the small things, like swatching a lipstick or testing a new skincare product. These moments, however small, are a reminder to pause and enjoy the present. Finally, I went to swatch this Chanel Bomb highlighter stick, which, fun fact, I recently bought on impulse, and honestly, no regrets. The swatch was so stunning and totally justified the purchase. I always stop by the Huda Beauty counter, but felt like I already had everything I wanted from their collection. Nothing new caught my eye this time, but maybe next visit. One One of the coolest things I noticed was their section full of stocking fillers. They've got everything from makeup to skincare and hair care, perfect for last minute gift ideas or treating yourself to something small. I spend way too much time swatching new collections and checking out the holiday sets. The packaging this time of the year is next level. It's like everything is designed to feel like a gift. I walked away with a few goodies, some planned and let's be real, a couple not so planned purchases, but hey, it's all part of the fun. If you want to see a haul of everything I picked up, let me know in the comments. I would love to share it with you.
I hope so.
Thanks so much for coming along with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.